Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for joining us on this session. I promise all of us on this session are tech geeks, but we will be spelling out all the tech geek lingo for you, starting off with someone who's best introduced as the Salman Khan of Indian gaming, Naman Mathur. Naman, pleasure to have you with us over here. Now, should I call you Mortal or should I call you Naman?
Mortal will do.
There's a mic on the left side.
Yeah, Mortal will do.
Okay, so you got to tell me that moniker Mortal, right? The transition from being Naman to streaming now and people literally bowing down saying, we're here to meet you, Mortal, that fan club you've come up with over the past few years, what was that transition like?
So the transition has always been upwards and the experience has been great. I was doing my BCom and I wanted to become a company secretary while studying LLB. I was also uploading videos on YouTube just for fun, just like how people go to play at 5 p.m. cricket or something. I used to play on my mobile and upload videos on YouTube 3 or 4 hours a day or something like that. That's what a kid wants, actually. And one of those videos went viral, and people started recognizing someone called Mortal. Now, Naman Mathur is not even in the picture. Everyone started recognizing Mortal, and they were like, okay. Back then, the game was PUBG, which made me viral, yes. Currently, it's BGMI, and we play BGMI right now. So yeah, that game went viral, I went viral, and here I am sitting in front of you guys today.
Mortal, and it pays a lot to go viral. I'm going to get to that, but you mentioned PUBG. And someone who understands that really well is sitting right beside me. Anish, pleasure to have you with us on this panel. Now, PUBG to what Krafton now calls BGMI. Guys, the PUBG wala ladka now plays BGMI in India. Mortal's going to tell us a little bit more about the game a little later. But Anish, what's that rebranding exercise been like? Because I'm guessing it was quite an uphill task.
Hello, everyone. When Krafton decided to do the publishing in India, we looked at what the market is and where it's going to grow. And we obviously looked at the player base that's over here and how passionate they are. So we said we are going to launch Battlegrounds Mobile India. And that took a bit of time, and the players went really clamoring as to release it now. We need it like right now. And when we released, it has been phenomenal actually. Within a few weeks, we were able to get like 40 million downloads and 16 million DAU. And more than the numbers, what we have seen is the passion for the players to actually, about the game, about the relationship that they have made in the game. Between friends, between parents and children, between actually boyfriends and girlfriends, we have seen all of this actually evolving within BGMI and getting it stronger. So we looked at the passion, and yeah, that's something that we really would like to build our product towards. And yeah, it has been phenomenal, really.
You know, you mentioned the Indian parents and the children equation. We should ask Naman what that's like. But forgive me, our session is called King Kong, the multi-billion-dollar world of gaming, and why India is still playing catch-up. And that's something that Anish alluded to as well. Naman, I need to ask you this bit as well. I'm going to keep bringing you in while everyone from the industry is talking as well. Has that led to your fan base going up exponentially? And did you find, well, a partner maybe again when you were playing Battlegrounds?
No, I did not. In my case, this was not the thing. I mean, I'm well...
Okay, how did your parents react when Naman transitioned into Mortal? Was that something you had to convince them back at home, saying, look, I'm a mobile gamer, and now I am transitioning into an esports athlete, perhaps the foremost esports athlete in India?
So transitioning into an esport athlete or maybe Mortal was not something in my hand. I did not have that in my mind that I'll be transitioning. It was something that, as I said, I went viral and it had to happen. Now, convincing my parents, my dad had passed away when I was 4 years old, and my mom was super happy with the first income that I made, which was, I can obviously say that, 1,04,000 rupees. And my mom was like, "Theek hai, let's give it 1 year's time. Let's see how it goes." And within a few months, they were like, "Beta, ab yahi kar lo."
Fair enough.